Right now, anyone in the world can send an email that looks like it came from you. Same name, same address. Your customers can't tell the difference, and neither can their inbox. That's email spoofing, and it's how most phishing works. So in 2024, Google and Yahoo, and then Microsoft, started requiring senders to prove who they are. The thing that proves it is called DMARC. If you've been told you need it, and nobody explained why, this is the 2-minute version. Think of email like physical mail. DMARC isn't one thing. It sits on top of 2 checks. First, SPF. That's a public list of which post offices are allowed to send mail for you. If a letter comes from an address that isn't on the list, it's suspicious. Second, DKIM. That's a tamper-proof wax seal. Your real mail gets stamped with a seal only you can make. And if anyone changes the letter in transit, the seal breaks. Here's what DMARC adds on top. 1, it checks that the name your customer sees actually matches the address that passed those checks. Scammers pass their own checks, not yours, so this is what catches them. 2, you set the rule for what happens when a fake fails, monitor only, and just watch. Quarantine it to spam, or reject it outright so it never arrives. There's one catch. DMARC also sends you reports of every source using your domain, real and fake. But they arrive as raw files that look like this. Nobody reads those by hand, so the honest answer is this. Turning DMARC on is easy. Knowing it's safe to start blocking without killing your real email is the hard part. That's the part we built. Trust Your Inbox reads every report for you, shows you exactly who's sending as your domain, and tells you the moment it's safe to enforce. Start free. The link's below.